Hi there! Today we're going to be working in our blue math book and we are going to be working today on lesson 2. So you're going to be using base 10 blocks to help you add 2-digit numbers. So by the end of today, you will be able to use base 10 blocks to help you solve 3-digit addition equations. So you can either use your base 10 blocks like this that came in your pack, or you can draw them. The first example I'm going to show you is one that you can draw. So let's look at our equation over here. We have 317 plus 541. So let's start by drawing them out. We have 3 in the 100 spot, 1 in the 10 spot, and 7 in the 1 spot. So there's my 300s, my 110, and 7 ones. Now I'm going to look over here. 5 hundreds, 4 tens, 1 1. And now I'm ready to add them up. I'm going to add up my ones first. So I don't see that there's 7 plus 1 more is 8. Now let's add up the tens next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's add up the 100s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer using base 10 blocks gives us 858. So 317 plus 541 equals 858. Now let's take another example, and one that you're going to have to do some regrouping. So lesson 2 looks like this. So some of it will be without regrouping, and then sometimes it will say that you will be regrouping. I find that it's easier to actually use the actual base 10 blocks when it's time to do your regrouping. So the math problem that we're going to be doing is this one, 157 plus 144. So I have it built up over here. Here's my 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 157 plus 144. So now I'm going to add them all together. Adding is putting them together. So again, I'm going to start now with my ones, counting them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've made a 10, so I need to take that and do an exchange. So I can exchange it for 1 rod. I have to take away my 10s, 10 ones, and add in my single rod. So I see I'm left with just the 1 1. Now I'm going to count my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hit that magic number 10 again. So I have to take all 10 of those, call out what I need to exchange 10 tens for. You're right. I need to exchange it for a 100 block, a flat. So I'm going to take away those 10 rods, those 10 tens, and this is what I'm left with. I'm left with 300s, no 10s, and 1 1. So I go back into my book, and my answer is 3 in the 100 spot, 0 in the 10 spot, and 1 in the 1 spot. So my answer is 301. I could have drawn the problem over here, but because it was with regrouping, I decided that it would be easier if I actually used my base 10 blocks. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon.